And this is one of the last things in the bungalow. I've done the aerial cable to inside. I'm gonna hook the aerial after I do fascia and soffit. And now just doing fascia and soffit. Removed all this asbestos, obviously with a face mask on as before. It's gonna be all double bagged and taken to local tip. And just putting plastics on. So once it's all been cleared of asbestos, sprayed it with a timber preservative, and then we got universal channel. Sorry, I'm just putting pin in my mouth. Using A4 stainless steel pins, and then fixed universal channel. Secure this here. So like pins there, pin on another one. So channel is supported. And then just sliding these little bits of hollow core. So one goes in the channel. So I do it off the ladder, one hand. That's it. And then just you can see where its previous one been pinned. And then just slide it in, make sure it's nice and tight. And on the side. Like that, and then I'm going to put another pin up here, so I can't hold the camera for that, but then that's theory. And then just all the way up to the top, and then I'm going to put the button down on the bottom end, universal channel all the way up, and start from the bottom up on that side as well. Once the soffit is done, then I'm going to do barge board. I'll have to remove this telephone bracket. It's quite tension there, but it's not that bad. I can hook it, tie it up to this TV bracket. Yeah, and it is just like that. So you got button down the bottom to this noggin here, fixed on, and then universal channel can run on all the way up to the top. Now, because that end fascia bit here steps out a bit, I'll have to step universal channel. I'll have to put another short piece there, tight against that bit of fascia. So you'll see that in a second. Just gonna fix the top bit. It's a bit of pain in the bump side, on the back side. Need to go from one to other. Steps, ladders, so on, like a monkey jumping around. Yeah, and here is that bottom arrangement. So we got universal channel comes to here, steps out, and then goes there. We have to close this in as well. And the first board, soffit board, tucks in nicely into the lip of this long fascia. Setting out pins on the bench, it's always easier and better than setting them up in the air. And vent grill for the kitchen extractor is done. All the fascia and soffit, and the aerial just in time because it's getting dark. All I need to do now is just clear up quickly and pack up. There it is. And here it is, all done. Space for a little cabinet or something, or bench for shoes, coats, meter tablets, water, gas, electrics, front bedroom, space for double bed, wardrobe in the corner. And coming to lounge, space for corner sofa or two small sofas, TV cabinet, small table with 4 chairs perhaps, fridge or fridge freezer, little kitchen, and the cabinet lights, little utility corner, washing machine, tumble dryer space, and we go outside. Outside tap, and turn the light on. Double socket and a bit of decking. And decking is coming off the bedroom. It's all done, all completed. And that back bedroom, it's here, off the lounge. Coming off the decking. There is a space either to put double bed this way or that way. However, people prefer double socket there, one on that side there. I would prefer it that way, with a headboard on that side. Again, a little wardrobe cabinet in that corner. If bed goes on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5 coming to here. There is about 800 mil space to go through. And last thing, a bathroom with plenty of storage space. So there's a bath with a shower, storage space floor to ceiling, isolator for outside tap is there. All good, all done. All I'm going to do now is pull these dust covers off from the smoke alarms. There's a CO2 one here, saying at the moment 0 CO2. And there's another cover there. I'll take that off as well. And coming up the loft ladder, coming to loft, there's a It's all boarded immediately around the loft hatch. There's a light there, light switch right next to it, another light by the boiler, double socket and isolator for the boiler, plenty of storage space. This section here that is above the bathroom, kitchen and lounge, it's been insulated with 400mm quilt, and that area there above the bedrooms with 300mm quilt all the way through. The entire loft has been sprayed, cleaned up and sprayed with a Vicamol timber treatment preservative, and that suspended pipe is having a fall towards outside, towards that gable end, and that's our kitchen extractor pipe. There's another bathroom one hidden behind that insulation, so it stops condensing. But this pipe here might condense or will condense, especially if they're cooking any like a pasta or rice or something that's got high water content. It will evaporate and then will condense in the winter time on this pipe. That's why it's got to run and fall towards outside. And yeah, there you go. So all done. Loft looks completely different, especially now without the chimney in this middle section, and it's big improvement, including the loft itself.